Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I will show you how to install indicators on MT5, okay? And we're going to go through the process step by step so that you don't miss out even the tiniest detail. Now, whether you are using built-in indicators or custom ones, this guide will help you set them up quickly and easily so that you can enhance your trading experience. Okay, but before we dive in, just make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new trading tutorial. Okay, now let's just quickly get started. MetaTrader 5 comes with a variety of built-in indicators. You can see that we have a whole lot of indicators under the trend section, the oscillators, the volumes, the Bill Williams, and a lot of custom indicators can also be added. Okay, um you can either decide to add indicators right from here, from insert to indicators, and select the one you want, or you can decide to go through the navigator. If you go through the navigator, you just select the one you want, and so easy, just drag and drop. Right, when you drag and drop, it's going to be added to the chart. Okay, so it's super easy. Let's just drag and drop another indicator as well. You can see, super easy, you just drag and drop. Or you can come to insert indicators, and then you select the indicator that you want, and then you add it. So whichever method you prefer is absolutely fine. Okay, now these built-in indicators are great, right? But sometimes you need more advanced tools, and that's where custom indicators come in. So let's just go over how to install custom indicators. All right, now if you have downloaded a custom indicator, I'm going to show you how to install and activate it. But if you have not downloaded any custom indicator before, but maybe you have had of a particular custom indicator that you feel you would love to have, okay, let's just go through the process of downloading a custom indicator. For example, let's say you want to download uh, maybe support and resistance indicator for MT5. Let's say maybe you want to download an indicator that automatically draws support and resistance zones for you. Okay, let's just see. All right, so we're going to be downloading the indicator right here in this video, and installing it, like adding it to the indicators folder, and you're going to see the indicator in action. Okay, so it's super easy, right? Okay, we're about to download the indicator right now. um all right, so you might have had me mention indicator spot in a lot of videos in in the past. So this is the site that I have been talking about, the indicators spot, the indicator spot site. This site has a lot of free indicators. So if you have any indicator in mind that you might have heard of, or maybe you just want to check out if such indicator is existing, right? You can actually just try checking this site out, because they have a lot of free indicators, and it's a legit site, so you can actually try it out. So we're going to download the auto support and resistance indicator right now. Another site that you can get indicators from is the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, the MQL5 marketplace, there are some free indicators there, although there are a lot of paid products on MQL5, but there are also free products on MQL5 marketplace. Okay, so you can also check that out. Okay, now we are just going to open the indicator that we just downloaded right now. We're going to open the file, the folder rather, and now this is the file, the support and resistance file, and we're going to copy it. When we copy it, you come back to your MT5, you go to file, you go to open data folder, and when you open the data folder, you just go to You go to MQL5, you select it, you go to indicators, you double tap on it, you go to examples, yeah, and then you paste the file you just copied right in there. And when you're done with that, you have to close the terminal. All right, you have to close the MT4 terminal and start it again. You have to restart your MT5, sorry, not MT4. You have to restart your MT5 terminal. Okay, it is necessary. Okay, I shouldn't be opening this. What I should open is the, sorry, I made a mistake. Just give me a minute. All right, so I have restarted the MetaTrader 5 terminal. So now that we have restarted the terminal, you can find the indicator you just downloaded. So you can either go through insert, indicators, custom, and then you search for the support and resistance indicator. Okay, I don't know why the indicator is not showing, but let's get back to the data folder. Let's just be sure that we pasted the indicator in the right place, because you know, if your indicator is not showing up or working properly, one of the things that could be causing that is the file location. If you did not paste the indicator in the correct location, you might not find it. All right, and if you do not restart your MT5 terminal, you might not find it as well. Okay, so I just need to be sure that I pasted the indicator in the right place. Oh, right, my bad, I did not paste the correct file. What I pasted here was text document. What I was supposed to paste, is uh it seems like this indicator we downloaded, it did not come with this file, rather, that we downloaded. It didn't come with. All right, so we're just going to follow the link that was given to us in that text document. All right, this is the link that's going to take us to the file. Okay, here we go. So we're going to be downloading for MT5. Okay, we're going to be downloading for MT5, and then we're going to open this. Okay, so you have to ensure that you copied the correct file, right? If you did not copy the correct file, well, the indicator is not going to show up. Okay, ensure that the file you copied is the MQL5 program file, or the MQL5 source file. Okay, it should be program or source, or both of them, right? So now that we have added the correct file, we have to restart the terminal again. All right, we have to restart it again. Now we're just going to restart the MetaTrader 5 terminal. Okay, remember that if your indicator is not showing up properly, it could be that you didn't copy the correct file, or you did not put the file in the correct location, or you did not restart your terminal, your MT5 terminal, or maybe you did not enable DLL imports. So it should have appeared by now. Yeah, it should have appeared by now. Let's just let us check that out. Okay, you can see support and resistance, drag and drop, and make sure you allow DLL imports. Okay, allow DLL imports, and then it's going to appear on the chart in a bit. Yeah, voila, here we go. So we can see that the support and resistance indicator has been added to the chart. So it's super easy. I just took you through the process of downloading a custom indicator and adding it to your indicators folder, basically from from downloading it up till the stage of having it added to your chart. Okay, so it's a very easy process. This indicator helps you identify support and resistance zones automatically. So there are a lot of custom indicators. If you want to get anyone working on your chart, you can just follow the process that I just showed you right now, and ensure that you were downloaded from a reputable site. Okay, do not get scammed because you're trying to get a custom indicator. All right, so now you know how to install indicators on MT5, both built-in and custom ones. With these tools, you can customize your charts, improve your analysis, and take your trading to the next level. If this tutorial was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Have questions, need help with a specific indicator, comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and that is it for this video. Happy trading. I'll catch you in the next one.